intention was first and foremost to pray, because we believe that even if ourselves we cannot be able to get a solution, God can show us the way, and God can hear our prayers and answer to the needs of the sick. And we are asking, therefore, the two parties that are opposing one another, that they cede their positions and they come together. Those who are on the side of the county government, let them not say that they have a right to what they are doing or they have done because of the court rulings, but particularly because our people need healing.
Tuweze kupata solution about this. Tumeona ya kwamba more than 700 workers wamepewa barua za kuachishwa kazi, of which we know the county itapata shida sana kuwalipa hawa watu kwa ajili ya kufuta. Kwa hivyo tungeomba ya kwamba tungesaidika kidogo, kila mtu aweze kuongelesha mwenzake.